Stop saying energy. This one word makes you sound instantly smarter. Vitality. Pronounce it as vital, putting the main emphasis on the second syllable, tal. It means the state of being strong, active, and full of life, energy, and spirit. After weeks of exhaustion, her daily morning runs finally restored her natural vitality, leaving her glowing and ready to conquer the day. Instead of saying energy, say vitality to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word vitality in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.